It don't bother me if you're old or young, if you got lots of money or you got next to none. Where you think we all go when we die? It ain't on my mind if you're big or small, how long it takes you to get up when you fall. If you can or cannot handle the spice in a world where you can be anything, I'll be kind to you. Could you be kind to me? Kind to me is all I'm asking. Don't bother me what SPF is you, or if the body you're born in don't define you. We're all taking different ways in the bone. If you get out the guys, girls, both kinds, or someone in between, or like to dress up even when it ain't Halloween, I don't mind. I say each to their own. In a world where you can be anything, I'll be kind to you. Could you be kind to me? Kind to me is all I'm asking. Yeah. Could you be There's one thing in this life that is guaranteed. It's you and I might see a few things differently. In a world where you can be anything, I'll be kind to you. Could you be kind to me? Where you can be anything, I'll be kind to you. Oh, could you be kind to me? Could you be kind to me?
Let's learn Kind to Me. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Kind to Me. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a side drag. So we're going to do a big step to the right, dragging your left foot into your right. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. We're now going to do a push recover to the right. You want to think of this as a side rock, but as you're rocking, you're pushing off of that right foot and turning your body slightly to that left diagonal as you recover onto your left. We're now going to cross our right over our left and step your left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your big step to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and you're going to hold. We're now going to cross our left over our right. You're going to unwind a full turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot, coming back to 3 o'clock. We're going to step our left foot to the left side, and you're going to hold. We're now going to do a behind quarter walk. So you're going to cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and then step forward with your right. So So let's try that with some counts. We just step to the side, you're going to make your quarter turn. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our left foot. You're going to recover back onto your right. We're going to step back with our left and you're going to sweep your right from front to back. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. Cross your right over your left and you're going to hold. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're rocking with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a ball rock, recover, cross. So you're going to quickly rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock. From here, we're going to do 2 crossing shuffles. When you do these crossing shuffles, you want them to be small and mostly stay in your spot, so they're only going to slightly travel to the side. And when we do it, you want to slightly bend your knees. So we're going to do a crossing shuffle right over left. You're going to go cross, and you want to be kind of bent down. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, doing a left crossing shuffle. So you're going to turn to the 3 o'clock wall, you're going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. And again, you want these to be small and mainly stay in their spots. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed over, you're going to do your ball rock recover. So it's and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your side drag. So it's side drag, behind side cross, push, recover, cross, side quarter hold, cross, full unwind, step side hold, behind quarter forward, rock, recover, back sweep, behind side cross hold, ball rock, recover, cross, quarter, crossing shuffle, quarter, crossing shuffle. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your side drag. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Now, let's talk about the ending. Wall 11 will be your final wall of the dance, so you'll be facing 6 o'clock. You're going to dance up to count 29, which is your quarter in the first step of your crossing shuffle. So this is going to end facing 12 o'clock. You'll do your quarter, and then you're just going to do that crossover with our right that you would do to start your crossing shuffle, but you're just going to cross over and stay here facing 12 o'clock. And that is your ending. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your side drag. So it's side drag, behind side cross, push, recover, cross, side quarter, side hold, cross, full unwind, step side hold, behind quarter forward, rock, recover, back sweep, behind side cross hold, ball rock, recover, cross, quarter, little crossing shuffle, quarter, little crossing shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Side drag, behind side cross, push, recover, cross, side quarter hold, cross, full unwind, step side hold, behind quarter forward, rock, recover, back sweep, behind side cross hold, ball rock, recover, cross, quarter, little crossing shuffle, quarter, little crossing shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn kind to me. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
La 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 la.